Here we have taken one question from the triangles where we need to prove the length of the hypotenuse. Length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is given by 2ab by root over b4 plus 4a square. So if a triangle is given to you, right, a right angle triangle like this, let us say and name the vertex as LMN, and this is a right angle triangle, and from a an altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse ln, right? Let us name it as p, right? Now we need to prove if the area of a triangle is a and one of the side on which is making a 90-degree is equal to a small b, then we need to prove that the length of the altitude which is drawn from M to the hypotenuse ln and intersecting hypotenuse at P, then we need to prove that MP, the length of MP is root over 2 capital A times a small b divided by root over of b power 4 plus 4a square, right? So my dear friends, A is the area of the given triangle LMN, right angle triangle LMN, right? And we know that area of any triangle is given by a half into base into height if it's any triangle and height is known to you. So from here we can say if the base is a small b, then height is lm, that will be multiplied with 1 by 2 to give you an area capital A. So 2 going into the LHS becomes 2a divided by a small b as equal to lm, that is the height of the given right angle triangle. So this is one of the relation which is derived, right? So just make a note of it and just go forward and just into the next step. What we are going to do, we will use the concept of similarity and prove the similarity of two triangles, triangle LMN, the bigger right angle triangle which we have considered, and the smaller one, that is triangle MPN, that is made by the altitude which is drawn on the hypotenuse, right? Here you can see LNM can be proved as similar to MPN because LNM is equal to angle PNM, which is the same angle N. Now the another similarity between the two triangles is the angle covering the 90-degree, that is angle, the first is the this one and second similarity criteria is this one. So by angle criteria we can see one of the angles of both the triangles are 90-degree and one is the common angle, right? Based upon that we can prove the similarity of the triangle LMN and triangle MPN, right? So this will give you the ratio of the corresponding sides, that means LM divided by MP, right, is can be written as equal to ln divided by mn, right? Ln divided by mn. Now we know that the length of lm we already derived. Just put it over here, 2 capital A divided by small b, and mp is the length of the altitude which is drawn on the hypotenuse, right? So that need to be calculated, right? Now ln is basically the hypotenuse of the bigger right angle triangle LMN, right? So keep it as it is, and Mn is a small b. Now to just find the length of the hypotenuse ln, what we need to do, we'll just apply the Pythagoras into the triangle, right angle triangle LMN, and we can write that yes, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So ln square equal to lm square plus mn square, right? And lm square we already calculated 2 capital A divided by b. Put the value of this square into the RHS plus mn square. What is mn square? It's already given, a small b whole square. So this is the length of ln square. So when we take the square root into both sides of the equation, we get the length of ln as root over of 2a square, 2a by b whole square plus b square, right? Now go to the previous step here. Now we can see 2a by b into the denominator mp, the length of the altitude which we need to calculate it. Calculate the length of altitude on the hypotenuse is equal to, put the value of ln what we calculated over just here into the right hand side and divided by b. when you just do the simple calculation, b will be cancelled out, and we can see that yes, 2 times capital A divided by root over of 2a by b whole square, that is root over of 4a square plus b square going to the denominator multiplied with this b square becomes b power 4, right? And that in the denominator, when we take the root of a square root of b square, a small b will be going into the numerator. So we get the length of MP as 2ab by root over of 4a square plus b4, right? This is the length of the altitude which is drawn on the hypotenuse, right? So this was the same thing which was about to be proved, right? So we can see the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is this one, and this is the same thing, the length of MP which was about to be proved, right? In this way we have proved the length of this altitude on the hypotenuse MP, and this question is solved.